on Zwitter ion. What is Zwitter ion? Before going to the Zwitter ion, we discuss about the salt. What is salt? Salt is a product of neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction with acid and base. We all know that an acid reacts with a base and form a salt. Here in salt, cation and anion. Before going to the Zwitter ion, we discuss about the salt. As we know, an acid and base reacts and product is salt. Here in salt, sodium ion and chloride ion both are present. This is the property of salt. All ions, maybe cation and anions, give her test in acidic solution or basic solution. In amino acids, as we know that an amino group and n carboxylic groups are present, but in amino acids, an amino group and carboxylic acid are not present in the neutral form. These are present in ionic form. Amino group presents as ammonium ion and carboxylic group as present as carboxylate ion. This is the Zwitter ion. In amino acid, amino group and carboxylic group are present. Amino groups is as basic in nature and carboxylic group is acidic in nature, and they both form internal salt, अमोनियम एंड कार्बोक्सिलेट. सॉल्ट की प्रॉपर्टी हमें पता है कि एनायन और केटायन दोनों साथ रहते हैं. ये भी एक इंटरनल सॉल्ट है. इंटरनल मतलब कि यहाँ पे कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड एमिनो ग्रुप दोनों ही ग्रुप एसिडिक एंड बेसिक एक ही कंपाउंड के अंदर है, इसलिए हम ज्विटर आयन को इंटरनल सॉल्ट्स भी बोलते हैं. दिस इज द इंटरनल सॉल्ट. एमिनो एसिड्स जनरली न्यूट्रल फॉर्म में ना रहकर सॉल्ट फॉर्म में रहता है. सम फैक्ट्स जो हमें बताते हैं कि एमिनो एसिड्स की प्रॉपर्टी इंटरनल सॉल्ट्स के फॉर्म में रहती हैं, जैसे कि स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपिक एस्पेक्ट्स कहता है कि एमिनो एसिड्स में NH2 एंड COOH ग्रुप की कोई पीक नहीं मिलती, जबकि अमोनियम आयन एंड कार्बोक्सिलेट आयन की पीक्स स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी के थ्रू हमें मिलती हैं. डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट ऑफ एमिनो एसिड इज़ वेरी हाई. हाई डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट सॉल्ट्स की वजह से होते हैं. एमिनो एसिड्स आर वॉलेटाइल, नॉन वॉलेटाइल, जबकि प्रोटीन्स आर नॉन वॉलेटाइल. एसिडिक एंड बेसिक बिहेवियर ऑफ एमिनो एसिड इज explained by the Zwitter ion, like when amino acid is take in acidic solution, then carboxylate ion present, while when amino acid is taken into the basic solution, then ammonium ion takes place. In amino acids, basic group NH2 and acidic group carboxylic acid is present. They react internally and form a internal salt. This internal salt has both type of ion, cation and anion, so it is also called as dipolar ion, because both positive and negative charge are here in the internal salt. It is also called as Zwitter ion, and it is also called as ampholyte ion. Ampholyte ions means this salt has both type of properties, acidic and basic. Acidic properties due to amino group and basic properties due to carboxylic acid group. There are some aspects which prove that Zwitter ion resistant in case of neutral amino acid. Like aliphatic amino acids and aliphatic carboxylic acid have low melting point and low boiling point, but amino acids has high melting point and some spectroscopic aspects, which also proves that amino acids are in the form of internal or zwitter ion salt. Properties of amino acids, acidic properties and basic property is also explained by the zwitter ion. Like in water solution, zwitter ion may convert into carboxylic acid and ammonium ion. Here in this reaction H3O plus will be formed. So this reaction shows acidic behavior. And the above reaction hydroxyl ion remove in the solution. So this reaction prove or explain the basic nature of zwitter ion. So the property of acidic or basic nature of amino acid is also explained by the zwitter ion. If there is a competition between carboxylic acid and NH2 group to eliminate the proton, then carboxylic acid will eliminate the proton. But if protein exists, amino acid exists in the zwitter ion form, then there will be the acidic behavior due to the NH3. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our Guru KPO channel.